Hey my beautiful roses. Welcome back to my channel. What if you could glow up your entire face in just 7 days? No money, no skincare products, and no crazy routines. Sounds unbelievable, right? But babe, it's 100% real. In this video, I'm spilling the free glow up secrets that'll fix everything. We're talking dark circles, acne, blackheads, pigmented lips, facial hair, tan skin, and more. You'll be glowing so hard, people will think you photoshopped your face in real life. Mind you, these are so easy to do and insanely effective. And best of all, they start working immediately. So if you want clear skin, brighter eyes, softer lips, and a glowy, healthy face, keep watching. Because this is the only video you'll need to glow up your face fast. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. I almost forgot to tell you to stay till the end, cause I'm dropping a full face workout that'll literally change your face into that Greek goddess with a sharp jawline all in 1 week. Now, let's continue. Number 1. Pigmented Lips Fix. First up, roses. If you're struggling with two-tone dark and dry lips, this is your sign to fix it. I'm going to show you how to get rid of pigmented lips and get that pink, plump lips naturally in just 7 days. Step 1. Exfoliate your lips. Roses, the first rule of any lip glow up is a lip scrub. We need to get rid of that lip crust before doing anything else. So grab a small bowl and mix 3 tiny spoons of sugar and a drizzle of honey properly. Now, every morning, take a little in your hand and gently massage it on your lips for 30 seconds in circular motions. No aggression, just soft movements. Wipe it off when you're done, and that's it. But if you're a little impatient, you might need a lip scrub with a pink tint. So let's make it. Mix 2 spoons of sugar, olive oil, and beetroot juice together and scrub your lips for 30 seconds before wiping off. This scrub will leave your lips soft and pink over time. Step 2. Lighten it. Now that you've scrubbed your lips, it's time to lighten it. Dark lips often happen because of the sun or just genetics. But we can fix it using tomato, trust me. Grab a tomato and cut it in half. Then put sugar, turmeric, and 6 drops of coconut or olive oil on it. Next, rub it on your lips for 3 minutes. You can use this 3 times a week. It will brighten and lighten your lips faster. Step 3. Moisturize your lips. Now that we've scrubbed and lightened our lips, it's time to moisturize it. Moisturizing is the key to keeping your lips juicy all day long. You can use your lip gloss, Vaseline, or even coconut oil. But if you want something with a pink tint, here's how to make a pink lip gloss. Get any petroleum jelly you have. Put it in a small container. Next, add a pink blush from your makeup palette and mix properly until pink. Then apply it on your lips. You can use this every day. Pro tips. Always drink water, at least 8 glasses a day, because dehydrated lips create dark lips. Always moisturize your lips every time. Don't wait for it to get dry first. Also, you can gently pinch your lips, like you're giving yourself a lip massage, to get your blood circulating for that plump look. Number 2. Acne Fix. If you're tired of acne constantly ruining your face, I'm here to show you the way out. Acne, also known as pimple or zit, isn't friendly, and it could sometimes make you lose your confidence. But we're saying no to acne, and in a week, you won't find her anymore. Step 1. Understand your acne. First, let's get to know these uninvited guests. Because not all pimples are the same, roses. If you have forehead breakouts, these are caused by stress, dirty bangs, or dirty hair. My advice for you is to wash your hair 2 times a week and sleep well. And if you have cheek acne, it's your phone germs and pillowcase. So clean your phone screen and change pillowcases every week. Step 2. DIY acne treatments. 1. Turmeric, cinnamon, and honey mask. This mask kills bacteria, brightens dark spots, and moisturizes your face. To make it, put honey on a plate, add cinnamon and turmeric before mixing. Next, gently apply it to a clean and dry face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. This mask will help brighten and smooth your face. And if you don't have cinnamon, there's no problem. You can still use this mask. Just mix honey and a tiny pinch of turmeric on a plate, then apply it all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. But if you're not a fan of turmeric and the yellow stains it comes with, you can use this next face mask. 2. Yogurt, flour, and honey mask. This face mask hydrates, gets rid of acne, dark spots, and it even brightens and exfoliates your face gently. Put 1 tablespoon of yogurt in a cup, 2 teaspoons of flour and honey, then mix well before applying it on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off. 3. Ice or green tea hack. Anytime you notice a new zit pop up, quickly rub ice on it. Ice constricts the blood vessels, which equals less swelling. Or use a used green tea bag to press in your acne for 5 minutes. Pro tips. Make sure to wash your face 2 times a day, every morning and night. Stop picking or popping your acne. I know it's satisfying, but it's unhealthy. It can cause acne scars and more bacteria. So, keep your hands off your face. Number 3. Dark circles and eye bags fix. Okay, roses, let's talk about the I haven't slept look under your eyes. If you're struggling with dark circles or puffy eye bags, it's time to fix it. Here are ways you can eliminate dark circles and eye bags fast. 1. Cold spoon. Put 2 spoons in a cup of ice cold water and wait 15 minutes before taking it out and placing it on your eyes. Then press them under your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes. The cold spoon is going to reduce swelling or puffiness fast. 2. Use tea bag, green or black tea. Boil 2 tea bags, let it cool before putting it in the fridge for 5 hours, then place them on your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. The caffeine in it tightens your skin and reduces darkness. 3. Potato slices. Grab a slice of potato and place it under your eyes for 15 minutes. Potatoes even out the skin tone and reduce blemishes. It's a natural enzyme that brightens and depuff. But if you don't have potatoes, you can use tomatoes or cucumber on your under eyes for 15 minutes to brighten dark circles. Pro tips. Every night, gently massage your under eyes for 1 minute with almond or coconut oil before bed. This improves circulation and lightens over time. And also, make sure you're sleeping on your back, because sleeping on your side equals more puffiness and wrinkles. And lastly, sleep well. Please go to bed early to allow your body enough time to heal itself overnight. Number 4. Blackheads and Whiteheads Fix. Alright, roses, let's talk about how to remove blackheads and whiteheads. This is caused by congested pores and dead skin cells. So, it's time to clear your pores and remove any dead skin on your face. Step 1. Steam your face. The first rule of removing blackhead is steaming your face. You have to open up your pores to get the gunk out. First, boil water and pour it into a bowl. Drape a towel over your head and hover your face on the steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 2. DIY blackhead removal. Now, it's time to remove the blackheads from our face. We have 3 options, so feel free to use the method you like most. 1. Baking soda and water. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water into a paste. Gently massage it on your face for 1 minute, before rinsing with cool water to close your pores. This is like a vacuum for dirt, but don't use this if you have dry or sensitive skin. And only use this twice a week. Next option is egg white mask to tighten your pores. Whisk 1 egg white in a container, then apply all over your face with your fingers. Let it dry for 15 minutes. You'll feel it tightening your face. Now, wash it off with cool water, and we're done. Our last option is honey and cinnamon. Mix 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey in a small plate. Apply it on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinse. Honey heals our skin, while cinnamon fights bacteria. It's perfect for your skin. Step 3. Seal your pores. After deep cleaning your face, it's time to lock your face with ice and your toner. Let's start with an ice facial. Pour ice cubes in a bowl, add water, and dip your face in it for 5 minutes. Remember to take breathing breaks. After this, apply your rice water or green tea toner on your face. You can watch this video on how to make one. Pro tips. Wash your face twice daily, in the morning and at night. Exfoliate once or twice a week with sugar scrub or baking soda. And make sure to avoid heavy creams like Vaseline on your face. Number 5. Face Tan Fix. Now, my dear roses, if you're suffering from face and neck tan because of all the sun beating you at school, it's time to fix it. Here are 2 face masks that'll help brighten and remove tan, leaving you with an even, soft skin. 1. Tomato Mask. Tomato is a natural bleaching agent that can lighten dark spots and even out tan areas. It's super effective. All you need is 1 tomato. Cut it in half and gently rub it on your face for 5 minutes. Let it penetrate into your skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing your face with cool water. You can use this every day to brighten your face and neck for faster results. The second mask is Turmeric and Gram Flower Mask. This is the holy grail of skincare. It can literally fix your tan, remove eczema, and even stop acne. To make it, put 1 tablespoon of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric and milk in a bowl, and mix well. Apply it on your face and neck, and leave it on for 20 minutes before washing off. You can use this mask 3 times a week for best results. Pro tips. The best way to remove tan from your face is to stop it from happening. So, make sure to take your sun protection seriously. Wear a wide brim hat and sunglasses when outside. Also use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. It has mild SPF properties. And lastly, become a vampire. Stay in the shade all day to avoid the sun. Your skin is too precious. Number 6. Facial hair removal. Roses, it's time to remove your facial hair, especially the one on your upper lip. First, put down your razor, cause we're not here to get stubbles. I'm going to show you how to remove your facial hair naturally and almost painlessly. Our first option, sugar wax. Sugar wax is a natural way to remove body hair. It's safe for sensitive skin and is less painful, unlike waxing. For this, we're going to need sugar, lemon, and water. To make it, put 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and another 1/4 cup of water in a pot to boil on low heat. Boil it until it turns golden like honey, then test it in cold water to see how it forms. If it's hard, add a little water to your sugar wax and mix it. Wait for it to cool down, but let it be a bit warm, not burning when using. Now, here's how to use it. Pour powder or flour on your skin before using it. Apply the mixture and cover it up with a small piece of fabric. Press on it before pulling it out gently at the opposite side of your hair growth. This can hurt a lot on your first time, but it gets easier over time. But if you're scared of this method, here's a safer option. This isn't an instant hair removal process, but you'll get there in a week. Turmeric and milk paste. Put some milk, a little turmeric, and a spoon of coconut oil and sugar in a pot to boil for 2 minutes. Pour it in a plate to cool. Add a spoon of wheat flour and gram flour, then mix it well. Apply it on your face and wait for it to dry before scrubbing it off with your fingertips. Rinse and towel your face dry. Now, this will take a few uses before you see big changes, so use this 3 times a week to see more results. Number 7. Eyebrows and Eyelashes Fix. Roses, it's time to focus on our eyebrows and lashes. If your brows are scanty and your lashes keep falling out, don't stress, we can fix it. Our first option is castor oil. Apply a little amount of castor oil on a clean spoolie and brush your eyebrows upward with it. Next, put a little on your spoolie and brush it on your lash line. Do this every night. Castor oil is like fertilizer for your lashes and eyebrows. It thickens, lengthens, and prevents breakage. Our second option is aloe vera gel. Dip your spoolie in your aloe plant and apply it on your lashes and brows every night. If you don't have a fresh aloe vera, you can use the gel instead. Aloe vera strengthens your brows and lashes, and also, it prevents fallout. Our last option is green tea rinse. Get a used green tea bag and press it on your lashes for 5 minutes. The antioxidants in it promote growth, stop lash breakage, and reduces puffy eyes. Pro tips. Stop rubbing your eyes with your hand every time, even if it's itchy. Rinse it instead. And no sleeping with mascara on. This is stopping your lashes from breathing. Number 8. Face workout. Finally, roses, we've already covered the skincare part, but now it's time to sculpt your face like a Greek goddess using facial yoga. If you want a slimmer face, cute nose, fuller lips, and a sharp jawline, this part is for you. Nose slimming yoga. If you have an uneven nose tip or a puffy nose, don't worry, your nose isn't ugly. It just needs to work out to become that cute little button nose. Do these exercises to train your nose to be prettier. Use one hand to hold and another to roll the side of your nose upwards for 10 seconds on each side. Next, gently drain down your nose. Massage the middle of your nose downwards for 20 seconds. Do this every day for faster results. Next, use 2 fingers to gently massage the side of your nose upwards, then press it downwards to release tension. Do this every day for 1 minute. And lastly, use your fingertip to push your nose upwards. Then pinch the middle of your nose and flare open your nose 50 times, both morning and night. Lip plump yoga. Getting fuller lips requires some mouth workouts too. No lips fillers needed. Wash your hands first, then put 2 fingers beside your lips and pucker up your lips 30 times. Then press your lips together, let it go, and repeat. Do this 30 times as well. Next, massage the side of your lips and chin upwards with your knuckle for 1 minute. Then, gently pinch around your lips for 30 seconds before massaging it together. Cheek fat removal. It's time to lift your cheek muscles up and eliminate chubby cheeks. Suck in your cheeks and hold it in for 10 seconds every day. Next, fold your lips in and hold a smile, pushing each side up and down. Do this for 10 seconds 2 times. Then, use your knuckles to massage your cheek sideways and massage your face in an upward movement to remove saggy cheeks. And lastly, use your hand to sweep across your cheek to define it. Sharp jawline workout. It's time to eliminate any double chin and get that snatched sharp look. First, we're going to start stretching our neck and jawline. Next, raise your head and massage the bottom of your chin downwards to your jaw's edge. Do this for 5 minutes every morning and night. And lastly, the towel method. Fold a clean towel and bite on it for 15 seconds, 3 times every morning. This will sharpen your jawline over time. And that's everything roses. A full face glow up that will transform your entire face in just a week. With no money spent and all from the comfort of your home. If you do these every day for 1 week, just 1 week, your face will literally glow up. Trust me. Drop a comment if you're ready to glow up your face this summer holiday. And don't forget to hit that like button if you loved this glow up guide. See you next time, roses.